Greetings and warm welcome to Manoj Nambiar's travel experiences. Today's video is about Kerala's state tree, the coconut tree. In Sanskrit, the coconut is known as Kalpavriksha, which means divine tree. Everything from a cow is utilized by individuals. Similarly, coconut is a vriksha or tree which can totally be utilized by humans. The coconut tree has many uses. To begin with, a tender coconut serves as a refreshing drink which can be directly sipped from the unripe coconut and is also very tasty. The inner portion of the tender coconut is equally delicious. In the event that it is ripened, it is utilized in various curries or even for desserts. The shredded and dried coconut is used for various curries, and the oil derived from coconut is commonly used for frying. Besides providing food, drink, and shade, this tree also offers the myriads of possibilities of roofs, hats, mats, bowls, furniture, brooms, dresses, and fans, jewelry, musical instruments, oil, ointments, and that is only the tip of the iceberg. The leaves of the coconut tree is utilized to make containers, fence, and so on. The coconut tree is viewed as the most useful tree since it gives everything required to live life. Jaggery or palm sugar is prepared from the sap and it is further fermented to make the toddy, which is a mildly alcoholic beverage. Other parts are utilized as firewood. Coconut is commonly utilized in different dishes in India and Asia. Coconut is an ingredient that is broadly utilized in various dishes across the planet, and now it is gradually becoming more prevalent for its medical benefits. The coconut oil produced from the dried coconut has an extensive array of utilization. You can apply it to your body in regular form or even the medicine version. It is a prominent ingredient in bathing soaps. The coconut tree is valuable for humankind in its entirety and is also very economical on the pocket. Copra comes from the white pulp of coconut. It comes in the shredded form, mostly used by people who don't reside in the tropical climate. Copra is oil rich with a light, nutty, and sweet flavor. You can use coconut shells to make handicrafts items used to make an assortment of tumblers, bowls, and showpieces. These are generally high in demand in the handicraft industry. Shells can be utilized as firewood and are a source of charcoal and furthermore. The jute-like external cover of the coconut is the raw material for making coir and coir items. The leaves of the coconut tree can work as roof coverings in rural areas, or you can also use them to make temporary structures to store things or for animals. With individual sticks present in the leaves, they can make broomsticks. If you leave coconut tree flowers to ferment, it can be changed into an extraordinary mildly alcoholic beverage called the toddy. People cut budding flower stalks open and use earthenware pots to get the liquid that pours out. Coconut sap ferments quickly. In a couple of hours after collection, it changes from a sugary syrup into an alcoholic beverage. One of the main uses of coconut timber is for construction. Coconut wood can also be a promising material for the making furniture and different handicrafts because of its excellent grain and appealing appearance. Consider all the above points. We can conclude that the coconut tree deserves the name Kalpavriksha, and time and again research has proved that the different forms of coconut are greatly beneficial for human health. Why not you plan a trip to Kerala, the land of coconuts? Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and share.